Hey guys, I'm really excited to let you know today we're going to be making giant gummy bear. Basically all you need is this, which you can find on a link below where you can get that. You're going to need 3 of these packages, so 3 boxes, not just 3 envelopes, but 3 boxes. And you're going to need 18 ounces of Jell-O, which would be, each of these is 3 ounces, so you got to get 18 ounces, guys. So that's 6 of these and 3 of these. 1 of these and 2 cups of water. Good to go. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to start by first greasing a little bit with canola oil spray, just a tiny bit. Just so it doesn't stick in there. Once you've stirred all of your ingredients together, you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes and we're coming back. Okay, once you added all your ingredients and you let it sit for 5 minutes, you're going to turn the heat on medium-low, and you're just going to keep stirring it until you get a smooth consistency and you don't have any more clumps in it. So this is almost there. And you just keep stirring it until it gets really smooth and 0 clumps. And so like those clumps are no-no. So you've got to keep stirring it for a little bit longer, and once we're done we will transfer it into our mold. And when you transfer it in the mold, make sure the mold is on a baking sheet or a baking tray, something sturdy. Okay? Come back in a minute.
Okay, so this has been sitting for 6 hours. I would suggest either longer than 6 hours or overnight is even better. I greased the inside. I think I showed you guys that in the beginning, so that nothing would stick. And hopefully I'm so excited. So cool! That is so cool. Oh my god. So cool. So cool. Yummy, yummy, yummy.